Hello friend, welcome back in Excel lessons. My name is Lalit and today I'll gonna teach you how to invoke the message box in Excel VBA programming. So without wasting time, so let's start it from here. First we need a developer tab, right? So if this is not available in your sheet, so you can just click on here in file, go to option, and from this click on customize ribbon, and from customize you just select this. If this is not checked in your sheet, you can just check it and then click OK, right? So and then after that this developer ribbon is available in your file also, right? So I just insert one button here and I'm just putting name, I'm just giving the name this, just click on it and message box, right? Now press Alt F11, so this will display a programming window. This is the Visual Basic interface and here we have to write our program. So for message box I will just type Msgbox, and in this prompt I'm just prompting whatever you want to prompt. For example, I'm using hello YouTubers, right? And then save it and then close it here from here. Now click on this message box and in this way you will this message box is invoked, and then click OK. This will close, and if you want to double click on it again, this will represent it, right? So this is all about this video and hope you will like this video also. Thanks for watching it.